All right, guys. I got this from Costco. This is Korean food expert. Hey, I can't even pronounce that, but it's their Japchae glass noodles. And you see here, there's only 6 pouches in here, so they are vegan. So check that out. And you'll see here. Let me check this out here. Here's the nutrient ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And there we go. Let's open this up. So there's 6 packets like this in there. They're actually pretty good weight, I can see. And let me see what the directions say. 1 to 2 minutes. That's microwave. I'm just gonna put it into a pot and cook it up. So, all right, stovetop it is. So you see stovetop preparation, empty packet, and heat. Okay, so I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. So here's the japchae all done. So I'm gonna do a quick taste test. I cooked it up on the stove, and it did pretty good. Added a little bit of water to it as well. So there we go. It's actually decent. It's pretty good. It tastes pretty much like what you would get at a restaurant. Um, yeah, it's pretty good. Let me try out the mushrooms here. Here's the mushrooms. Whoops. Yep. Tastes similar to what you get at a restaurant, guys. But this was kind of pricey, so you could always make your own. But it's really time consuming to make this. So, all right, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post goals, grab the channel.